So if you're a mom and you are tired of giving your baby just one particular food, worry no more, okay? Because I got you in this video. So in this video, I'll be sharing with you food you can give your baby, healthy meals you can give your baby, and how to prepare it. So you want to stick around to the end of the video. So the first thing you will need is your sweet potato. You can use any potato of your choice to do this, but I'm using sweet potato, and you would also need your carrots. So I'm just going to peel my potato now. You can use your potato peel to scrape out the skin, but I'm using my knife to do it like this because it's faster for me. So just peel it out just to scrape out the skin. And yeah, I'm done peeling my potato now, so I'm just going to clear my work surface. After this, I'm going to slice the potato now, or cut the potato into smaller sizes. Yeah, so that small knife was not doing it for me. I had to go with this big knife to just cut my potato into smaller sizes, because this potato, they can really be hard when you are cutting it. So yeah, just cut it into smaller sizes, okay, so that it will be easy for it to be cooked, and for the cooking process to be fast. So I'm done peeling now. I'm just going to get my bowl of water and then rinse my potato one more time, because I already washed it before I started peeling, but I just have to rinse it one more time and then add it to my pot. So I'm going to repeat the same process for the other part I cut. So you can just do it this way, and let's proceed to the next phase. So after washing your potato, next you want to bring out your pot and then put your potato inside, the ones you've already washed, okay? So just put it inside, and we are going to add the rest of the things we need now for this healthy meal we are going to prepare for our kids, okay? For our babies. So next, I'm going to scrape my carrots, and these carrots, I ended up adding more than just these two you are seeing here. So after scraping, I'm going to wash it again, and yeah, just wash. And after that, I'm going to wash my green beans. Okay, I didn't tell you guys I'm adding these green beans, but yeah, we are going to add these green beans to it. Then after washing it, I just headed straight to go and to start cutting my carrots. So you want to cut your carrot like this, just not too small. We are not using these sizes to do anything. Just cut them big, and yeah, add it to your potato, and go ahead to cut your green beans. And we are cutting them these big sizes, okay? You don't have to cut them so small. So after this, you are just going to add it to the potato also. And after this, next you are going to add water to your potato, your carrots, and your green beans. Make sure the water you're adding will cover the potato, okay? So because we want this potato to be really cooked, and we need it to be soft and tender. So after adding water, just cover and then allow to eat. So yeah, so you want to cook this for 15 to 20 minutes, and I've gone back to check on it, and you can see how soft it is. The potato is so soft and it's tender now, and even the carrot is also soft. So you can see how soft this is. That's why you have to let the water to cover it, so that it will be properly cooked. And even the green beans is also soft. So everything is soft now. And yeah, next I'm just going to cover this and then bring it down from my stove and move straight to the next phase of this meal we are preparing. Okay, so you guys can see how it's looking now. And next thing I'm going to do now is just to bring out my sieve, my filter now, and then sieve out the water, because this water, you're not throwing it away, we are still going to use it. So I'm just going to sieve it out, and next we are just going straight to our blender. Add this meal, add it to your blender, and the water you sieved out from it, add it to your potato, okay, and then blend till it becomes a puree. And you can see the texture from this now. So it's thick like this now. So depending on the texture you want, depending on the consistency you want it to be. So I ended up adding water to it because it's so thick and I don't want it to be so thick, okay, so that my baby can take it. And I'm not giving this to just my baby alone. I'm also giving it to my toddler, and she's almost to a year and 9 months, so she's almost 2. So I'm giving her this one. Then the other, I shared this into 2 because I'll be giving my baby the other one that's 5 months. So you can give your baby that is up to 5 months this meal. You can also give your toddler this meal also. Even adults can take it, so it depends on what you like. And if you are tired of taking pap, you can just do your puree like this and then take it. So I ended up adding the milk she takes, that's the normal peak 1, 2, 3 milk, and I ended up adding it to this meal. So you see how healthy this turned out, so healthy. So you guys, next you want to stir your milk like this, mix everything together, make sure it's mixed properly with the rest of the puree, and yeah, like this you are good to serve your baby, okay. So I did not wait for my potato and the rest things inside the potato to get cold before I blended, because I don't want the meal to be cold. You don't need to give your baby foods that are cold, or your toddler, you don't have to give them foods that are cold. So I just started blending immediately so that it won't get cold before I'm done. So now it's still hot, and yeah, I'm just going to serve it like this and give it to them. Yeah, so this one is for my 5 months old, and now I'm going to add a formula to it and then mix it properly, stir it properly, and yeah, we are good to go. So my kids, they really enjoyed this puree. So if you are tired of giving your kids just pap and the rest of the series, you can add this to their menu, you can add this to their food, okay. And I bet you they're going to enjoy it, because my kids, they enjoyed it, okay. So these kids, they need to start eating healthy, because eating just one particular food even as adults, we get tired of it, let alone kids. So kids, they really need to eat healthy, inculcate veggies into your food, your baby food and the rest. Yeah, so if you find this video helpful and you find it valuable, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up for the algorithm, and don't forget to subscribe to join the family. And yeah, I'm Faith Uche Okuo, and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now. Lots of kisses. Mwah.